Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable MFA or multi-factor authentication in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to the setup and we need just to click here, and after that we click on setup. Then we need just to search for identity verification. So here we type identity verification and we click here, and after that we need just to search for our multi-factor authentication for the UI logins. So here we have the verification methods, and here we have the multi-factor authentication. So from here we can require multi-factor authentication for all direct UI to the Salesforce org. So now we need just to enable it here, and then we will have it enabled in our organization. So now all we need to do is just to uh, do save, and now we have our setting that has been uh, changed. Also, you can just go to the session management, and from there we can go to our session settings. And as you can see, after we have added our multifactor, or when we enabled our multifactor, the setting has been changed. And then you can start having or enabling the multifactor for any reason or for any rule sets that you have in your organization. So basically, we need to go to our permission sets. So from here, we just search for permission sets and we go here. And as we can see, we can search for, let's just click new or edit. And we need just to find some ones concerning the multi-factor authentication. So you can create a new rule set, for example, you name it multi-factor, and probably it has been created when you have enabled our multi-factor settings or the MFA settings. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.